Good morning! Are you one of those people who may understand English but struggle when speaking it? Why do you get good scores in your periodical exam in English but you still find it hard to speak in straight and fluent English? Ayan, grateful. Malamang naintindihan mo yung straight English na introduction natin, no? Bakit kapag ikaw na, ang hirap magsalita ng English? Hayaan mo. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind this and I will provide helpful tips on how to improve your spoken English communication skills. Ayan, hi GREATfuls! I am Charlene, a licensed professional English teacher. I love helping students through my content about English and grammar. So, let's dive in. Ayan, so bakit ka nga ba nakakaintindi ng English pero hindi ka makapagsalita? Reason number 1, you don't have enough English speaking environment. So here in the Philippines, English is only our second language. Our first language is wikang Filipino, Kapampangan, Ilocano, Tagalog, Bisaya. So, it's expected for us to grow up in an environment where English is only spoken in schools. Diba? So, kapag nasa ibang lugar na tayo, wala na halos nag-i-English paligid natin. Kaya, wala tayong impactful na English environment. So, it is very limited. Wala na halos chance na makipag-usap o makipagtalastasan tayo sa English sa mga tao sa paligid natin. So, sa ganitong pagkakataon, dapat tayo mismo ang gumawa ng paraan para ma-expose tayo ng gusto sa English language. What you can do? You may find a language learning partner, di ba? Kasama mong mag-aral ng English at kapraktisan mo. Find a good teacher, watch English TV series, watch English movies, or if you're interested in baking, then watch English YouTube videos about baking, di ba? Matututo ka na sa baking, magkakaroon ka pa ng English environment. So, good news, naglagay pala ako sa description box ng listahan ng link ng mga English movies na pwede mong mapanood sa YouTube. So, i-click mo lang yan para ma-download. Yan, mga movies na English. And I made that for you and I hope you enjoy those English movies. Now, connected ito sa unang reason din natin. Yung kaya ka hindi makapagsalita kasi your vocabulary is very limited and you lack knowledge in English grammar. Yan yung ating second reason. Ito yung nararanasan mo na may idea ka naman sana sa isasagot mo sa tanong ng teacher but you cannot raise your hand to answer because you cannot find the words to express your thoughts. May idea ka kaso hindi mo alam kung paano i-express sa English. Bakit? Kasi limited ang vocabulary, hindi sapat ang mga alam mong salita. O kung sabihin man natin na marami kang alam na salitang English, kung hindi mo naman ito nagagamit, para lang itong tubig na naka-imbak na walang silbi at unti-unting maglalaho, matutunaw. Okay, bakit naglalaho? Nandito sa reason number 2. Reason number 2 is you do not practice. Yes, maybe you know a lot of English words, that's why you can understand, but because you don't use it and don't practice it, then you cannot speak fluently. Parang sa sayaw lang, di ba? Hindi porket alam natin o gitsa natin kung ano ba yung tinatawag na shuffle dance o ibig sabihin na marunong na rin tayo mag-shuffle dance. Hindi siya equivalent. Siyempre, kailangan natin mag-practice. So, kung alam natin yung salitang, for example, ito, precise, ang ibig sabihin pala marked by exactness and accuracy of details. Eksakto, walang labis, walang kulang. Dapat, gagamitin natin ito sa pakikipag-usap at pakikipag-talastasan. Okay? Pwedeng magsimula ka sa pagsulat muna. In that way, unti-unti itong papasok sa ating vocabulary. Hindi lang naka-imbak sa passive, so you need to practice. You may talk to yourself alone, you may read out loud, or you may also practice conversations with imaginary people. Habang nanonood ka ng mga movies, i-pause mo. Saka mo unahan na at hulaan yung sunod na sasabihin ng character niyon. Napaka-effective nito, GREATful. Okay? Tayo mo yun na kailangan sipag lang. kung meron tayong goal. And tip number 3, you don't let go of your self-doubt. Hindi mo pinapakilawalan yung sarili mo mula sa pagdududa. I understand that maybe you're not that confident in speaking English because you think of grammar and your pronunciation, but nobody has perfect grammar. Nobody uses perfect grammar and perfect pronunciation. So, why should you be very anxious? Bakit ka mag-aalala? Hayaan mo na dumaan ka sa mga pagkakamali sa grammar. Ang mahalaga nagpa-practice kang magsalita. At the end of the day, mas importante naman na maipahayag natin ang thoughts and ideas natin kumpara sa flawless nga ang grammar, wala namang substance ang sinasabi. Diba? So the solution in your problem is just try to speak English. Huwag mo na isipin yung mga grammar errors. You will eventually improve. Hindi mo maitatama ang pag-pronounce ng salitang elementary to elementary kung hindi mo sisimulang practicein. Just be open to corrections. Nobody's perfect. Magpasalamat tayo kung may kaibigan tayo na i-correct tayo, pero halos di na kailangan nun kasi tinuturo naman ang grammar sa school. Kaya may mga ibang resources para matuto ng grammar tulad nga na lang nitong Charlene's TV, panonood mo dito, di ba? Kaya kailangan mo huwag nang mahiya. Nandiyan na lahat ng resources, sa'yo na lang. Simulan mo na talagang magsalita ng actual English. Okay? And reason number 4, kaya kayo hindi nakakapagsalita ng English kahit nakakaintindi ka naman, is you focus on receiving information. Ang focus mo lang malaman ng mga bagay sa English. Gusto mong malaman kung ano ba yung tinatawag na subject and verb agreement, ano ba yung tenses, ano ba yung parts of speech. Oo, makakabisado mo yan kung paglalaanan mo ng oras. Pero, makakaya mo bang gamitin sa pananalita? Hindi. Tama naman na knowing grammar rule is one thing, but knowing how to apply it in daily conversation is another thing. So, instead of just blankly or plainly memorizing the grammar rules, apply it as soon as you can. For example, today you have learned that a single subject requires a singular verb. So, take a look around you. Yeah, create sentences that applies to this rule. Nakakita ka ng lapis sa tabi mo, then create a sentence about that pencil. Diba? I have a pencil. I have some pencils. So, sa mga rason ka ba dito nakaka-relate grateful? Comment mo dyan sa baba ha, kung sa tingin mo ano ba yung dahilan, bakit hindi ka nakakapagsalita ng English pero nakakaintindi ka naman. Alright, let's proceed to reason number 5. Maybe you translate everything in your native language. Excuse me, baka kasi kapag may hinahanap kang meaning, hinahanap mo agad kung ano ba Tagalog nito. Example natin kanina, precise, di ba? So, nag-search ka na sa Google, what is precise in Tagalog? Ito yung resulta na lalabas, di ba? Nandiyan naman talagang makikita natin na at malalaman mo na ibig sabihin pala ng precise is eksakto. Pero, mas matututo ka sana mag-English kung English rin yung dictionary na babasahin mo. Ayan o, tignan niyo po yung result. May malinaw na meaning, tapos may mga synonyms pa. Di mas nadadagdagan yung ideas mo tungkol sa salitang precise. And reason number 6 is you do not try to enjoy the process. Remember that learning can be a fun and rewarding experience. By improving your language skills, you open up to new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Try setting achievable goals. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and always celebrate your progress. Grateful. Kailangan maging matuwa ka sa progress mo along the way. Imagine or always think of it that 1% improvement is always better than 0 improvement. Ayan. So, ganun lagi nakatatak sa isip ko yun For example, medyo kailangan ko na magligpit sa kwarto, isipin ko na yung 1% or yung 1 minute na pagliligpit ko is always better kung hindi ako magliligpit totally. O kaya naman kung may kailangan akong basahin, hindi ko siya mababasa lahat ngayon, yung 1 page na mababasa ko ngayon, it's still a help, it's still an improvement. Kahit gaano kaliit yan. Kaya natatalisod yung iba kasi gusto agad kinabukasan maging magaling na mag-English. It doesn't work that way. Okay? And kung ginawa mo na yun lahat, malamang mas magiging confident ka na rin sa pagsasalita. Yan naman yung concern ng iba, di ba? Kasi nahihiya talaga sila. Kung medyo may alam ka na sa English, nakapag-practice ka na, magkakaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob sa pagsasalita. Kasi alam mo na, kaya mababawasan na yung pagka-conscious mo at hiya mo sa tuwing kailangan mag-English. Pero grateful baka kulang lang nitong number 7 na reason kaya ka hindi natututo. Ano yung number 7? Baka hindi ka man nakasubscribe sa Charlene's TV. Labi mo lang pero go ahead, mag-subscribe ka na GREATful. Be one of my 900,000 students around the world. Grabe, 900,000 na tayo GREATful. And it's gonna feel good when you hit that button. Siyempre, para updated ka kasi ang mga pinapost kong videos dito ay yung mga pinakasimpleng pagpapaliwanag ng mga konsepto sa English gamit ang Tagalog or Taglish para mas madaling maintindihan ng lahat. And when you do all of my tips, it can greatly improve your English speaking skills. Remember, learning a language, it takes time and effort, but with your dedication and persistence, you can achieve your goals and become fluent in English. Good luck, GREATfuls, and see you in my next videos. Manood ka ng video dito tungkol sa career at dito naman tungkol sa pronunciation at dito tungkol sa grammar. See you again. Bye-bye!